In this video, I will show you how to download Crackle on Smart TV. Like subscribe to YouTube channel if you find the video useful. So you have a smart TV and want to download Crackle and you don't have Google Play Store installed, then you can use this intermediary application I love using a lot called Downloader. Downloader is an application that helps you to find anything from the internet and can download it to your smart TV. So once you come over to Downloader, just launch it. Now, if you don't download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get Downloader on your smart TV. So the only key with Downloader is typing in the right keyword. So you can type in download Crackle, Crackle for TV, or just Crackle itself. So as you type in any keyword, you just go ahead and search. And Downloader is going to show you the results depending on the keyword that you type. If you type in the right keyword, it's going to lead you to the right application. Also, while searching the application, just make sure you know the right icon of that application. So for instance, I think if you follow this link here, you're going to see an install button. These are two options or good options to get Crackle. So this is another option, but this is just for Wikipedia. That's not going to get you the application. Here's another option, and I think this can work. So if you come over to this option, all you have to do is to search the install button. If it's supported on your smart TV, you're going to see the install button, but it's not supported on my smart TV because on my smart TV version. So if you have a higher smart TV version, Crackle is going to be supported, and you can just go ahead and download it. If this doesn't work, they can come here and search for other options, or especially search for the APK on this box here. So if you search for the APK, this can provide you the APK. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.